Aha. Hey there, crafty amigos and amigas. My name's Steven and I'm your community amigo. Now, my job is to help you be more crafty. So, since this is my first day on the job, I want to make sure we have a nice, clean environment for us to work on projects together. So we're going to go to the garage, check it out, get it nice and organized, and get ready to build some really cool stuff together. Now, stick around to the end of this video because you'll find out how you can get craftyamigo.com to pay for your next project. All right, let's go. Oh, well, it's not as bad as I thought it would be, but definitely have some work ahead of us. Oh, I forgot about these. Oh, we're gonna do some cool projects with these in the future. So you can see here I've opened this area up. Now I do have to still get a car parked in here at the end of this, so that is going to be important to think about. I want this full space so that you guys can see and hang out with me while I'm working on projects here at my workbench, right? And then I'm going to actually rearrange this space over here to better sort the toolbox, some storage. I'm probably going to take this shelf down completely. All right, so now that we have the garage mostly cleaned up, we're going to build out our tool wall. Now what that allows us to do is have access to all of our most commonly used tools without having to dig through all of our toolboxes, and this then allows us to build our projects more efficiently. Let's get started on that. Well, there you have it. We got ourselves a clean garage, a well-organized tool wall, and a great place to work on projects together. Now, if you're a fellow crafty amigo or amiga and you want craftyamigo.com to pay for your next project, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to our channel, and go ahead and post a link to your craftyamigo.com project in the comments below. Go visit craftyamigo.com for all sorts of project inspiration. And remember, my fellow crafty amigos, be safe, be kind, and be crafty.
Visit us at craftyamigos.com.